I'm Stan with Schaefer Safety, and today I'm going to show you an install with 2-inch standard grip tape on wooden stairs. We're going to show you the proper installation method. It's always a good idea to clean your surface. In this case, we're using acetone before we apply the grip tape to give you a good clean surface. The surface has been prepped and sanded before we got here, before we got to this stage. Now we're going to install the grip tape, and at the end of that installation we're going to put down a tape edge sealer. Okay, so here we're using a couple of measuring devices. This is a measurement to give me a constant measurement off the edge of the stair. So we're using this, in this case it happens to be a ruler, but it can be anything straight. And then we're measuring, I recommend that you go 3/4 of an inch back from the nosing or from the edge of the stair. That way it's not lifted up with shoes that are walking. And then you're going to want to mark it once you've got it where you would like it. You want to mark the edges of it so you know where to lay it down once you peel up the sticky back. Mark all 3 sides. That way you've got a good place to lay it back down when you're ready to install it. Now we're marking the other side. You always want to mark both sides of the tape. It'll just make it easier for your install. Gives you something to line up with, because you're going to have to pull it up and then lay it back down again once you've got the sticky back started. Always roll your edges. Make sure the edges are well rolled down. Our next step after we finish this rolling is we're going to put down the tape edge sealer. And the tape edge sealer, once applied, will protect the water from, or stop the water from getting under the tape and causing it to lift, which is something really that we sell and pretty much nobody else does. Just roll it down good, make sure you're happy with it, make sure it's well down. And then when you put your tape edge sealer, it prevents the migration of water and other contaminants. When using the tape edge sealer, it is a very fluid product. It flows very quickly, and you only need a small amount just right along the edge of the tape. So be very careful when it comes out to keep it moving along. I'm not squeezing, it's coming out on its own. And what I will do when I'm done is I will smooth it over. Using a Q-tip. You just need a tiny amount right along the edge. I'm just going to pull it along again. And this seals the edge of the grip tape, preventing water from getting in on the edges. If you need a little bit more, which it looks like I do, you just add a little bit and start again. Now we have good coverage, and we're just going to once again just pull along real quick. This is a dangerous goods and hazardous product, so make sure you keep it away from children and keep it away from open flame. There you go.